Hello students, this is Sarish again with a new video of your chapter Synthetic Fiber and Plastic. As we are discussing about plastic, in yesterday video I told you what is plastic, how it is made and its properties. Why it is so much used in the world because of its properties. As I told you yesterday in the video, if you have not watched till yet, so please watch that video and then after this video. So today's topic in this video I will tell you what are the types of plastic and what are the differences between them. Actually there are various types, but we will discuss main types which are very main, or we can say most important types. There are only two types. Plastic has its property to melt, and due to this property it is divided into two types: thermoplastic and thermoset plastic. Because of this property it is divided into two types: thermoplastic and thermoset plastic. There are other type of plastics also, but that is not in your syllabus. Also that is not, because they also cover in these two type of plastics. So let's start. The first type, thermoplastic. What is the meaning of thermo? Thermo means heat, and the plastic which is prepared with the help of heat, that is called thermoplastic. It means plastic which can be melt through heat again and again. Means if we heat plastic material, we can shape that in any shape, then again we can heat it, again we can give it any shape, again we can heat it, again we can give it any shape. Means it can be melt again and again with the help of heat. So that plastic which can melt again and again with the help of heat is called thermoplastic. Because of this melting ability continuously, this plastic is important. For example, polythene. For this you are familiar because you use this polythene. Now it is banned, but you have used it. So how does it look like? You can assume this is also a kind of plastic. PVC. It is a short form of polyvinyl chloride. This plastic, polyvinyl chloride, this is used in various applications that we will discuss also. Polystyrene. Polystyrene, that is also kind of plastic. Mostly these all plastics are start with name of poly because they are polymers. As we have discussed monomers and polymers in synthetic fibers. So in plastic, these polymers are used. That's why mostly, not all, mostly names are start of plastic with poly. Okay, so these are the thermoplastics examples. For example, use is polythene. You use these polythenes to store the things, to pack the food, to cover your books also. Various type of polythenes you use. Even the objects which you eat, like some candies and chocolates, these all are covered in polythenes. So these are plastics. This is the biggest use of polythene. PVC. PVC is not just like polythene. PVC is some hard plastic. It is used to prepare pipes. Have you seen white color of plastic pipes which you use for sewerage lines or water facilities? So that pipe is made up of PVC plastic. Even some floor tiles are also made up of plastic. You have seen plastic shaped tiles, hard plastic shaped tiles. Shoe soles. Your shoes, under the shoe there is a sole. So that is also made up of sometime PVC. Bags. Some bags are made up of PVC. Raincoats. Raincoats which save you from rain when you wear it. That is not a kind of cloth, that is a kind of plastic which you wear. So these are the uses of PVC. So I hope if you have seen any one of these material, you can easily, by touching, you can understand what is PVC, how does it feel and how does it look like. Polypropylene is used to prepare medical equipments. In medical equipments, you have seen injections, syringe, that is made up of plastic. Some plastic machines you have seen. So those plastic packing in which the all kind of medicines are packed, so these polythene are called polypropylene, and that plastic which is used in medical equipment like syringe, injection, that plastic is called polypropylene. Even the glucose bottle, the syringe, so that all are plastics, and that is polypropylene. So these kind of plastics you can see, that is thermoplastic. Even you can read that in polythene, which is for big polythene, there is written about the polythene type. Polythene has also again type HDPE, LDPE. HD means high density polythene, and LDPE means low density polythene. So that is written on that. So you can watch, you can see from your polythenes, and you can understand the type of polythene, which type of polythene you are using. So now I will tell you about second type of plastic, that is thermoset plastic. So by name it is clear, thermoset. Thermo means by heat, set means once set, then it cannot change. It means plastic which can be melt once, only once. After then it set in a shape and cannot melt again by any type of heat and cannot change shape. This plastic is thermoset. By name it is clear कि by heat it will set and then it will not change its shape. Once it sets, then it will not change its shape and cannot melt again. कि first time it can melt, it will gain a shape. After then it cannot melt and it cannot get the shape of any other object. So that's why this is called thermoset plastic. So this plastic, in thermoplastic we can change shape again and again, but in thermoset we cannot change this shape. Only once we can do this. So these plastics are called thermoset plastic. Example, bakelite and melamine. Bakelite plastic you can see, bakelite plastic is used for hard objects. For example, electric plugs. Every appliance contain electric plug. That plug is made by bakelite. You see switches, electric switches, that switch is a plastic, and that plastic is also made by bakelite. Fountain pens, hard fountain pens, that is made by bakelite. Electrical appliances, for example, washing machine is made up of plastic. Your TV LED is made up of plastic. Even iron, electric iron, mixie, all the electric appliances, these are made up of plastics. They contain bakelite plastic because it is hard and it cannot melt again. So that's why it is used in these appliances, because it is hard and cannot melt again. Once it is taken shape, after then it cannot take another shape. So it will be stained, it will remain in the same shape. That's why it is used. And bakelite is plastic, as this is the property of plastic, it cannot pass electric current. That's why it is used. When we touch the plastic switch, we don't feel current because of the bakelite. Melamine is the second plastic which is thermoset, and it is used to prepare unbreakable crockeries like dinner set. There are dinner sets which come of melamine. When we throw them, they do not break. Various cup, plates, when we throw them, they do not break. Those are made by plastic, and that is melamine plastic. Not all dinner sets are made by plastic, means which are made by melamine, they do not break down. So this is the quality of this plastic. Third type of thermoset plastic is Teflon. Teflon, you have seen non-sticky cookwares. You have seen that. So non-sticky cookwares, they contain Teflon plastic. That Teflon plastic layer is on that utensil, which make it non-sticky. So you can see that non-sticky cookware, in that it is written there Teflon. By that it is clear that kind of plastic is used which cannot melt. That's why it is used in that utensils. it make a layer. By that it doesn't that your food does not stick in the utensil, so that is why it is called non-sticky, the dark black layer. So these are the uses and types of plastic. I hope these types are clear, and you will also do your worksheet continuously regularly by watching these videos daily. Thank you and have a beautiful day.